going to be teaching you how to do a standing back bend. So let's get started. Now, before we start actually working on the back bend, we need to stretch so that we don't injure ourselves. So we're gonna start with just stretching our wrists so we can start rolling out our wrists here. And then we're going to point our fingers down and our palms out and stretch our wrists like this. Be very gentle. And then same thing, we're gonna flip them, show off our rings, and put our hands down. Okay, now we're going to do some roller coasters. And then the other way. And some more meatballs, I like to call these. Okay, and then arms out straight. Cross your right arm over your chest. Hook it. And switch sides. And now arms up, bend one, grab the elbow, and other arm. And now, time for stretching the back. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go into a cobra pose. So all you do is you push your hips down to the ground, straighten your legs. If you want, you can look back. And if you're super flexy, you can touch your toes to your head. I cannot. Great job. Now we're gonna go into what's called child's pose and stretch your back the opposite way. Alrighty, great job. Now, let's begin with the back bend. Before going from standing, practice a few times on your knees. Important things to keep in mind. Be sure to raise your arms to your ears first, then look back with your head. Next, arch your back. Then your knees bend last, and be sure to keep your arms straight the entire time. When doing a back bend from standing, your feet should be shoulder width apart. When going into a back bend, your heels should never come off the floor. Instead, turn your toes out to the side slightly to ensure that your heels stay on the ground. To help with getting over the fear of going backwards, try using a wall. Start with your back against the wall, then look back and walk your feet out until you are at a good distance away from the wall. Then walk your hands down the rest of the wall and place them on the floor. Recover by walking your hands back up the wall. Now, try it once more while keeping that good distance away from the wall. Another good way to practice is using a chair. You can either use the back of the chair or the seat of the chair. Once you feel comfortable enough, try going into a back bend and holding just above the ground to improve your leg control. From there, you can either come down or recover by pushing your hips forwards. one-handed. Or add a handstand to the beginning and it will be a front over. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If this video helped you, let me know down below and make sure to give it a like and also subscribe. I post every Saturday. Make sure to send me a video of you guys doing your standing back bend on Instagram. That's it for today, folks.